In this video, I will show you how to create and use the Facebook Messenger rooms. Now, before we start, if you want to grow and succeed on Facebook and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to create and use the messenger rooms. And on your Facebook app, you need first to click this room icon to have this pop-up screen. You can also create the room through the messenger app, where you need first to click this video icon. And from there, you can edit the room title and also the room link. You can also schedule the room and invite friends to join. And if you click this settings icon, you can set who can join your room. You can also turn on and off the end-to-end encryption, report an issue, or even end the room. And after creating your room, you can share the room link for people to join. And above here, you can turn the camera on, and you can use the front camera or the rear camera. And you can also video call your individual participants and even minimize the video screen. And in addition, you can find support from Facebook and also learn how to protect your privacy. And to end the room, you need to click this red call button and end the room for everyone, or just leave and keep the room live. You can also go to the chats, click your room and end it from there. And if you end the room for everyone, all your participants will be removed and the room link will stop working. In the next video, I will show you how to join a Facebook Messenger room. So if you are interested in that, check out that video too. You can also find the video in the description below. And this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.